Make a great choice today with the 2020 Q3. The new Audi Q3 challenges the perception of what a crossover is by embodying everything a crossover should be and is priced below $45,000. This vehicle has less than 200 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, emergency braking preparation, hill descent control, roof rails, traction control, stability control, power brakes, braking assist, ambient lighting, rear view camera. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.